cook it wisely. That's why you need the GreenPan Elite 6-quart electric multi-pot with steamer and tool. This is a skillet.
Yes.
This is a slow cooker.
Yep.
This is going to be a steamer because it's got an insert. It's all done with ceramic nonstick on the inside, and it's diamond infused with diamonds.
Woo!
This is Chef Jeremy Parker. Good to have you back, sir.
Hey, buddy, good to be here.
I
Thanks.
love this item because it is so universal. You can cook just about everything in it. And this time of the year, whether you're doing a casserole, a big pot of soup, I mean, oh my heavens.
Oh, yeah, and David,
I'm here for it. I'm ready for some cold weather food.
Yeah, I love it. I love this time of year for the food. This has handles on the side. This is one of those pieces that you can take to a party like today later. This is coming with me. I've got meatballs coming with me.
Oh, meatball. Are you making subs?
I'm just doing like these lamb meatballs that I make. And I do this with like a tzatziki sauce.
Lamb meatballs.
Oh, they're lovely, yeah.
So apples and onions.
Okay, so this is just, always sear your roast, by the way.
This is a bone-in pork roast, which is kind of rare.
A bone-in pork roast, whether it's ribs, whether it's pork shoulder, whether it's beef, you're doing pulled pork. If you don't sear it, you just don't get that yummy candy flavor.
Remember, that color is not just for looks, it's flavor.
Yeah.
Now, is that apple cider?
This
or
is
apple juice?
This is a stock right here. We're just doing,
that's stock.
This is just a regular stock because if you want to make a slow roast, take a look. You're going to put this on. This goes from 450, David, down to 160 degrees.
Look right here.
When it finishes through, it
Presto
goes to warm.
changeo.
Okay.
It's done.
Presto changeo, and you are also getting, remember, the
gravy.
The spatula, the gravy you got to make, but this tool here, the silicone spatula, comes with it also. So I'm going to braise this. And here's what's awesome, David. We went slow and low. We seared it. We went slow and low. And this will just, if my test to see how tender,
okay.
Do the bones just come right
All
off?
right.
Okay, here's that bone. Let me pull this bone. I mean,
I might need to go in here and taste this just to make sure that
just
it's
get
okay.
a little. We could just look
there
at
it is.
I could take this and pull it apart. So that's slow and low. There's a simmer function on there. You sear it first. You simmer it, David. It is just gold.
Okay, now this is bone-in pork roast.
Yes. Let me get a little piece.
Oh, so good. Here we go. I taste the apple. Oh my!
Apple to cranberry, isn't that lovely? That gravy on there.
The cranberry is so good.
Yep.
But not overwhelming. Everything is balanced. And then Chef Leon, did you do polenta? Yeah. Is that polenta?
That's
lovely.
Served over polenta. And the great thing is David, this whole thing, now this is kind of hot, but this whole piece right here will come out, and that's hot. I'm gonna do a little thing. Maybe we have what you get back here.
Back here.
Because this whole piece right here removes, and you can put it in the dishwasher to clean it.
This
unlike
whole
a regular
piece comes
slow
out for easy cleanup.
Yeah.
Let me grab a hold of it. There it is.
Yeah.
This whole piece comes out, the cookwell portion. And you can pop this in the dishwasher, yes?
Yeah, right in the dishwasher, dishwasher-safe. And again, that's ceramic, nonstick. You know, GreenPan changed the game.
Infused with diamonds.
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 And why diamonds? That hardens that surface. It won't scratch as easily. You could use metal utensils on it, and there's no PFAS, no PFOAs, no lead, cadmium, all those harmful chemicals we heard about. Okay, so unlike a regular slow cooker, we showed you can go hot, cold, slow. You could use this as for like a stir fry. This gets up to 400, let me put a little bit of oil for flavor. Okay, 450 degrees. So unlike maybe your old fashioned cooker that might, go low, high, low, slow, low, slow, high. This will go really hot. So, and again, that non-stick.
Look at that non-stick in the bottom.
I mean, I could just kind of do this. I'm gonna make a real quick stir fry for you, David. I'm sorry, fried rice.
Now, while you make your fried rice, and
Yes.
make first the eggs for the fried rice, I'm going to go through the colors.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me grab a card here because sometimes GreenPan calls the colors something different from what they look like. Now, this is the black. That looked pretty clear. And then beside that is the pine green. Then down here below, we've got it in a fig. About 100 left in the fig, and then Oxford blue. 5 dozen in the Oxford blue. And there is your control panel. Now, almost $304 at retail. We're at $129.98 and free ship. Do you know how much you're saving on shipping?
Woo.
Today in this show, because remember, free ship goes way end of day today. On everything that's scripted in the show, you're saving $16.47 on shipping alone.
Wow.
You're saving almost $16.50 on shipping.
Yeah.
Oh, I walked right in front of that camera.
That's okay.
You know what that is? That's a rookie move right there.
You are anything but a rookie, my friend. Okay. All right, so
all evidence to the contrary.
fried rice, again, this will get hot to 450 down to 160. When it finishes cooking, it automatically goes to warm. So I just did some eggs, add some rice that you have it. Traditional fried rice is kind of just that leftover dish. So if you have some like pineapple, you do pineapple fried rice. Maybe you've got some leftover chicken, or we've just got some pork here. You kind of just put it all together in here. And it is the fastest, easiest way. You don't have to use your
If you
stove.
want to do a chicken fried rice,
Oh, yeah.
don't be afraid to buy a canned chicken. Just drain it. Sometimes I rinse it to get some extra sodium off of it.
Sure.
And then I throw it in and just warm that up, because all you're really doing once you cook the egg is you're warm, because the rice is cooked, right? And so your other elements just need to be warmed through.
Yeah. Okay, and then I know real quick, we don't have a lot of time, but here's your steaming rack. So these pot stickers coming up in the show, by the way, steam them in here. They're delicious.
They're coming up next.
It's coming up next. The rack goes right on top of there. It has a steaming function. Over here, if you want to just do some baked mac and cheese inside of this, it's lovely. We actually coated this with those pork rind crumbs. By
Give
the
it
way,
some extra crunch on top.
a little extra crunch right there if you want to do a cauliflower mac and cheese to just do a no carb.
What I
Also
do
in there.
sometimes is a whole wheat mac and cheese.
Ah.
And then if you want to put some of those crumbs on top, and then a bread pudding.
A bread pudding. So very versatile. Free up some room on your stovetop. Take this with you when you need to. You'll use it all the time. I absolutely love it, David.
Cleanup
It's
is
my
so
favorite.
simple, because then most of the pieces can go in the dishwasher,
That's right.
unless they're electric. The electric parts don't, but the rest of it will. This is very popular. Sir, are you back?
I'm done.
You're done.
Go Birds. Let's go.
Enjoy the
Woo.
big game, sir.
All
Kickoff
right.
is at 6:30.
Thank you.
All right. Now, is it? Let's do an update real quickly on the Kansas City Burgers, Miss Rachel.
Well, they are gone, so congratulations to everyone who was able to bring those home. You're going to absolutely love them. They are now sold out, so that one-time only price didn't even last the show.